Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today on Product Critique, we're diving into the world of car care with a product that's making waves in the detailing community. If you're like me and love keeping your ride looking pristine, then you're in for a treat. Introducing the ultimate solution for restoring that showroom shine to your White Pearlescent Paint 3D one-car scratch and swirl remover. This isn't just any ordinary polish, it's a game changer. Let's dive in and explore why this is the best car polish for white pearlescent paint available in the market. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful tips on all things automotive. Today, we're tackling a common concern among car owners: how to keep that white pearlescent paint looking flawless. And trust me, I've got just the solution. The 3D one-car scratch and swirl remover isn't your average polish. It's a hybrid formula that combines the power of a rubbing compound with the finesse of a finishing polish. That means you get the best of both worlds in one convenient bottle. One of the things I love most about this product is how easy it is to use. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or a DIY enthusiast, you'll appreciate the effortless application. Simply apply it by hand for smaller areas or use a polisher for larger surfaces. Now, let's talk results. This product isn't just about superficial shine, it's about true paint correction. It tackles scratches, swirls, and other imperfections with ease, leaving behind a showroom-worthy finish that'll turn heads wherever you go. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance of 3D One, with many praising its ability to deliver professional quality results with minimal effort. From deep scratches to pesky swirl marks, this product has you covered. So, if you're tired of settling for subpar polishes that promise the world but deliver mediocre results, it's time to upgrade to 3D one-car scratch and swirl remover. Trust me, your white pearlescent paint will thank you. Until next time, happy detailing. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and expert tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.